What's up, YouTubers? I'm gonna show you something you can do today with zip ties to I got some broken plastic on my four-wheeler cover. So this is broke. Drill holes on each side. Just take a zip tie. You know that it goes this way in. Can't go that way. So remember, zip ties always go to the flat side. So make sure when you put this down, you put the flat side out. Well, you can turn it around. I made the hole big enough anyway, so. Go down, come up back through in the flat side. Pull it, pull it, pull it. There you go. Make sure you get her all lined up nice before you give the final crank. Guess it don't look the best, but it's better than having the rest of it crack off, fall off, whatever, you know. Then you have to buy a new piece of plastic if it's somewhere where the, you know, the bolt holes go. She makes her pretty freaking solid. I'm gonna do one right here. I guess I could have used a little bit smaller drill bit. Well, it's alright, it works. Shabanga. This is cracked all the way down to here. So I think I'll do one more. Cracks right there, so. One more, baby, we're done. Put as many as you want, I guess. This is a piece of material that's underneath my fender wall, way up underneath the fender wall. You're never going to see this anyway, but it was rattling. So, bag of zip ties, wire cutter, and a drill, baby. That's it. Drill it, put it through, pull it up, bam. That's how you fix it. Pretty slick. Holds are good. That's how you fix broken plastic on a four-wheeler, on the front of your bumper, like that. Pretty much anything, I guess, plastic, fiberglass. Probably work for steel too if it was, you know, light enough metal or you can get it close enough or something. But anyway, Bob's Lawn Service and Plowing. I'm out.